you can go first since you just told me a couple hours ago who you wanted to pick.
I'm going to pick KREIDER first because I think he has the momentum and he has the confidence now.
Okay, with my pick, I'll go Zibanejad.
I'll go with KREIDER. Hopefully he does finally score.
And with my back-to-backs, I'll go Laffy and I'll go Panarin again.
I'll take COPP.
Okay. We're so nervous! 7. Yes!
Right here.
Yes! 5 seconds or 4 seconds left in the power play.
Let's see.
Because it needs to go in the dishwasher. It's spoiling. I already washed it when I went to... Yes! Oh, boy! Oh, let's go!
Let me see.
I told you to stop washing the pans.
Let's see.
How dare you wash the pans during a power play?
Let me see.
Here we go. Strome! There you go, Strome! Toss to him, Strome! Come here! Come here! Let's go, Strome! Yes, Chris!
Oh, yes!
Jump, 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 jump! Oh, Hito!
Yes! Yes!
There you go!
Yeah!
Fill up! Fill up! Woo! Oh. Alright, 3:47 left. Okay, sorry, it's alright.
Yes! 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 Yes. And I had COPP too, right?
Did you?
Yes, I think
No,
so.
did you? Okay,
Yeah,
you did. Then you
did.
won. Then you got all 3 again.
I'm not sure.
Watch it back. 2, 1. Woo!
How awesome is that?
Let's go! Where are we going? To the Eastern Conference Finals! Let's go! Give me a Come on, Dad, give me a Sally. Give me a Sally.